You missed making money when blogging was cool. Even when Facebook was growing and people made money with Facebook pages, posting memes, even when people were cashing it on TikTok and Instagram short videos. See, the universe has given you one more opportunity, the AI revolution. If you have ever thought about making money online, then this is the video you cannot afford to miss. People are making serious money with AI, but the real question is how can you cash in on this AI revolution? So, whether you are a tech expert or a total beginner, there are plenty of ways to start earning with AI today. See, this is not going to be another generic list you have seen all over YouTube. These are tested, real world methods that people are using right now to make actual money. And I'm not just telling you what's possible, I'll be backing it up with case studies that prove that these strategies do work. So stick around because I'm going to reveal 9 proven ways to make money using AI. And trust me, the last tool is an absolute game changer. Grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of AI powered tech. Here's a sorted list of 9 ways to make money with AI, ranked from easiest to hardest with detailed explanations for each. See, the first one is affiliate marketing for AI tools. This is the simplest way to make money. Companies offer commissions when you refer people to their AI tools. So there are multiple ways you can do this. You can write blog posts, create YouTube videos, or use social media to recommend AI tools like Jasper AI, ChatGPT, or even Midjourney. So I'll post a list of AI tools with great affiliate programs in the description below. Each time someone signs up through your link, you earn money without needing any tech skills. Websites like aiforwhatever.com and there is an AI for that are the best example of AI affiliate marketing, and you can check them in the description below. Then you can create AI generated content. See, AI writing tools like Jasper, Copy.ai and WriteSonic can generate articles, video scripts and social media captions for you. So you can start a blog, publish AI assisted ebooks on Kindle, or create AI written product reviews. So these methods will help you earn through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing, the one which I just discussed. So as I said, no advanced skills are required, just a good understanding of your audience's needs. You can even generate content and script for different industries as well. So third is that you can monetize AI generated art and music. AI can create stunning artwork and original music compositions. Now you can sell AI generated designs on websites like Etsy, Reddable, or Society6. If you prefer music, AI tools like Aiva can generate songs that you can license for YouTube videos, video games, or ads. So this is a very creative and passive way to make money with AI. You can even create music with AI and make them available on YouTube for other studios. Then there is AI powered freelancing. Freelance market spaces like Upwork and Fiverr have a growing demand for AI based services. So you can offer AI generated content, AI powered data analysis, or chatbot development without even needing deep AI expertise. Many AI tools are there that can simplify these tasks, making it easy to start earning as a freelancer. Take a look at these Fiverr gigs where people are doing AI powered voiceovers and charging $15 for a 600 words voiceover. Then you can offer AI consulting services. Many businesses want to use AI, but the thing is they don't know how. So if you have some knowledge of AI applications, then you can offer consulting services. You don't need to build AI systems yourself. Just help businesses choose the right AI tools to improve their operations. You can charge per hour or on a project basis. Then you can sell AI training courses. You know that AI is the future and people want to learn how to use it. So if you understand AI basics, then you can create online courses like teaching AI tools, chatbots, digital marketing with AI, or machine learning fundamentals. There are many platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera that allow you to sell courses and earn a very good passive income. So take a look at this course, the Complete Prompt Engineering for AI Bootcamp 2025 on Udemy. It has more than 150,000 users enrolled in the course. Just imagine how many people are curious to know about it. And then you can also be one of them. Then there is AI-powered stock trading and investment analysis. AI-driven trading bots, what they do is that they analyze financial data and then they predict market trends. So if you're interested in investing, then AI can help automate trades and suggest profitable strategies. There are many platforms like Trade Ideas and Zignally offer AI-powered stock analysis, which will help you to make data-driven investments with very much less effort. Then you can develop and sell AI-powered apps and websites. See, if you have coding skills, you can build AI-powered apps and websites for different industries. You can make money through app sales, in-app purchases, or even subscriptions. So different businesses have different needs to run and promote their operations using websites and apps. Now with AI coding tools like Cursor and Windsurf, you can create website even with a basic understanding of programming. Now coming to the last one is launch an AI-based SaaS business. It is the most challenging but the most profitable option. SaaS, software as a service businesses. So these businesses offer AI-powered tools that companies subscribe to. For example, AI-powered customer support chatbots, automated marketing tools, or even cybersecurity solutions. This requires investment in development, marketing, and customer support as well, but it can generate long-term passive income. So there you have it. These aren't just ideas, they are real money-making strategies with proof to back them up. So which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comment section, and if you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI money making tips. And wait, where are you going? So if you want a dedicated video on any of the topics I discussed, also if you want me to show you how to try these ways, then let me know that too in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.